Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today all? I hope you are well. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hafid Prasetyo Nugroho from Group 5. Today, me and my friends want to present our discussion result with the title Monitoring and Sampling. Next. First, let me introduce our group members. They are Lambang Setiora Harjo with name 149, Adram Nugraha Destarandi with name 152, Hafid Prasetyo Nugroho with name 155, Ahmad Nur Rahman with name 156. Material to be discussed. There are definition of monitoring, definition of sampling, relationship of observation, sampling and monitoring, and factors that cause sampling error.
Definition of monitoring. Monitoring is an important component in an IPM. What is IPM? IPM is Integrated Pest Management Program. Monitoring is to provide information about pet population, location, and condition that support pest growth. Monitoring is used for detect pet population at an early stage when they are easier to control. Assess the size of the pet population and the damage is caused. And three, find the center of the pet population and limit its spread. Four, determine the layout and record the condition that occur the emergence of definition of sampling. Sampling is a method that used to determine the number and member of the sample. Its member, of course, is a representative of the population that selected by being after the group based on similarity of character. Sampling purpose. The purpose of sampling is to determine the state of the ecosystem. Besides that, it can also be seen the comparison of pet population and natural enemies need for decision making.
Observation, sampling, and monitoring. Observation is the activity of collecting data and information about an object that is observed, studied, and researched. Observation can be carried out periodically and or incidentally. Observation activities that are carried out periodically on a certain object of observation will be used in the decision-making process called monitoring. Monitoring activities in IPM, Integrated Pest Control System, are the main activities that distinguish IPM system from conventional pest control system. The role of observing, monitoring, and ecosystem in the application of the IPM system is also shown in the following chart. And this is the page about the relationship between monitoring, decision making, and management action in the IPM implementation system. The first activity carried out is ecosystem monitoring. Monitoring activities are carried out to follow the development of the state of the ecosystem at the time, which includes the development of ecosystem components, both biotic components such as the state of plant, the level of plant damaged by pests, population of pests and disease, population of natural enemies, and other. Also, biotic components such as temperature, rainfall, and language. The first activity carried out is ecosystem monitoring. Monitoring activities are carried out to follow the development of the state of the ecosystem at a time which include the development of ecosystem component. But biotic components such as plant condition, the level of plant damage by pest and disease population, natural enemy population, and other. Also abiotic components such as temperature, rainfall, wetness, and other. From the result of the ecosystem analysis, decision can be made regarding the control of management action that need to be applied to the ecosystem. The result of decision making are immediately applied to the field regarding management or control actions such as improving plant culture, introducing natural enemies, changing their habitat, controlling with pesticide. Decision making is getting lower, namely on the management of the agricultural ecosystem, such as farmer on farmer group.
In observation and sampling, there are two conditions that must be considered. The first one is practical, which is easy to do, does not require expensive tools and materials, and does not take long. And the second one is trustworthy, which can represent the true population picture. There are three factors that affect the error in sampling. The first one is characters and skill workers, local environmental condition, and insect spatial distribution characteristic. Character and skills of workers. Pest and ecosystem surveillance programs always include many peer watching workers and farmers so that qualities and skills affect data collected and unavoidable faults. Local environmental conditions. Many influential environmental conditions such as time, rainfall, wetness, temperature, soil, as well as method of farming that may affect the insect activity. Insect spatial distribution characteristic. Many influential environmental conditions such as time, rainfall, wetness, temperature, soil, as well as method of farming that may affect insect activity. But in fact, in the fields, a swarm of insects tends to cluster or swarm.
I think that's all that we can share. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.